Hi, hello. Nagpagupit ako ulit today. Nagpagupit ako sa Manong Barbers, not sponsored. Manong Barbers, not the Katipunan branch this time. Tinry ko yung sa may UP Diliman branch today dahil ang next kong lakad ay sa Maynila. So pupunta ako na school para mag-rehearse. So pag nagkatipunan pa ako, parang iikot pa ako gano'n. So tinry ko doon. Boom! And my hair, it needs some getting used to. I know. Medyo nagigets ko na siya. Pero I just wanna say, ang bango na buhok ko. Thanks to the Maverick Gambit. Also not sponsored, pero the Maverick, alam mo, bibili ako sa inyo mamaya. Mag-check out ako sa inyo mamaya. Baka if you wanna, you know. Anyway, wala lang bango ng buhok ko right now. Naamoy ko siya during the rehearsal. Nilagyan ako ni Kuya ng konting boom. And I feel, parang ang bango ko. Wow. Yung kasi yung isa kong hindi ito yung topic ng video na ito, I promise. Pero yung kasi, nagtry ako na sea salt spray, hindi from the Maverick, like a TikTok shop, like sea salt spray. Okay, effective naman siya. Actually, ewan ko kung effective ba talaga siya. Medyo effective naman siya. Okay, I would say. Pero medyo may OHAB effects sa sa buhok ko after. Or like, ayoko lang yung scent niya. But this one smells parang akong ang bango. Amoy akong, it's giving Fabcon. Like Fabcon Pogi. Alam mo yun, Fabcon Pogi. Hindi like parang like pabango Pogi type beats, pero like Fabcon Pogi. I feel so fresh. Ang bango-bango ko. Anyway, the topic for today's video is TikTok dancers. What do you mean? I mean, meron lang akong basically itong topic na ito na naisip ko is just one thought. Ewan ko kung saan ako dadalhin nito. Ito-dog show divas ko tong topic na to as na lagi ko naman ginagawa kung saan ako pupunta. Oh, what is that? So, hindi nyo man lang sinabi meron ako doon. Ang sama nyo man sa akin. Anyway, what do you mean by TikTok dancers? Kasi meron akong nakitang video. Ang matagal ko na siyang naisip. Matagal ko naisip tong idea na to. Tong like video idea na to and I wanna talk about. Kasi, what do you mean? TikTok dancers. And, yung pagmamaliit at pangungutya at pagbababa sa kanila. What do you mean TikTok dancers? Kasi how do you define a TikTok dancer? Medyo gets ko rin naman. You can call me as like a TikTok dancer. Pwede rin kasi maybe ang definition mo ng word na ito ay isang mananayaw na mas nakikita mo sa TikTok gets. Pero pwede mo rin sabihin na parang, yung mga very basic lang na yung steps na a single 1-2 na may konting facials. Tangent, more like, actually, TikTok dancers, mas more facial sila kaysa galaw. Kasi the thing is like shot like right here. Ate, alam mo yan? Like right here, or like even right here. Ate, naka-medium shot sila ate. Medium shot, pero this is a dance video, okay. So the main effect is like right here. So pogi ka, maganda ka, may itsura ka. And I'ma just do a quick 1-2, you know? Like a quick paddy beret to like a single, double. Gets kita doon. You can define that as a TikTok dancer. Pero alam mo, hot take, that is valid. Even though, going back, I would say, na parang medyo binabash ko rin sila in my head. Alam mo yun, lalo na nung times na sobrang insecure ako. Kasi like parang, who are these people doing like a quick 1-2? And doing like a little jig and then getting like 300 million followers on TikTok and making like as in like kabuhayan out of it, like doing a quick 1-2, you know, shooting from the boob up, yeah, or like from the abs up, yeah, and then bumubuo ng mga malalaking platform ganito. If you ask like si dating Gab about this, yun ang take niya. At hindi ako proud doon. But again, obobs tayo nun, at bata tayo nun, at insecure tayo nun. I mean, I can still be, you know, pero like gets kita. #gets. Pero I think they're valid. Hot take from a 23-year-old Gab Campos. I think they're valid. Kasi why? Why? Kasi doon din ako nagaling. Nag-iba lang yung landscape. Nag-iba lang yung ang kapanahunan. Nag-iba lang. Kasi ako noon, my TikTok was Dub Smash. Ate, ang TikTok ko was Vine. Ang TikTok ko was Matt Stefanina. Guess niyo ako doon. Guess niyo ako doon. My TikTok was Thriller. I have never made a Thriller account in my life. Ever. Pero ngayon ko lang nare-realize yung impact nung platform na yun sa akin. Kasi yun yung mga thrillers, right? Yung thrillers is what they post on Instagram before. At yun na nagva-viral. Or even like mga short clips, pinopost nila sa YouTube. Right? That was my TikTok before. Now, na-develop. So, I believe, ang thesis ko lang for this video is wag niyo i-discount yung TikTok dancers at wag niyo silang maliitin ba. Kasi I believe ito, na dito tayo nagtatanim ng mga, anong tawag dun? Ano yung seeds? Ito yung grassroots organization. Ito yung level. Ito na, dahil sa platapormang ito, at dahil sa mga kung ano ginagawa nilang on TikTok, you know? I mean, yung getting a platform out of like doing a quick 1-2, mainly because of your face card, is like that's a different topic. Iba pang topic yun, yeah? At may kritisismo rin doon, pwede rin natin bigyan ng kritisismo yun. Pero I say, no. I think valid sila. Kasi, the dance part. Kasi doon rin ako nanggaling eh. Iba lang yung platform na pinanggalingan ko. Pero yun yung naging hook ko. Yun yung naging unang na parang I wanna do that. Gusto ko, yun yung nag-inganyo sa akin na sumayaw. Yeah? Konting Dub Smash. Who is this? Kid of the Great. Kid of the Great? Period. Yung sobrang swaggy. I think nakikita ko na before nun si Isabel Capitule. Ate, hindi pa kita kilala by the name, pero I have seen your videos, yes. Mga dancers sa Vine before, na wala na ako mapinpoint. Pero yun, yung mga, sila Matt Stefanina types, at yung mga atabs niya, ate. Kenneth San Jose, Sienna Lalao, naabutan niyo ba si Sienna Lalao sa Matt Stefanina? Bailey Sok, Hello, sino pa yung isa? Sean Lu, baby. Guess niyo ba ako? Doon yun eh. Yun yung YouTube nila ngayon. Yun yung YouTube ko before. That was, yung YouTube ko before is yung TikTok nila now. Kaya, gets ko sila. Kasi parang I think ang naging, the broke that camel's back, the straw that broke the camel's back. Tama yun, di ba? Is may nakita kong video sa sa Shikshock. So parang sinasabi niya, TikTok dancers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tangent, I would even add 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pero biglang, TikTok dancers, boom. Tapos biglang, baba, real dancers, boom, tak, bugu, boom, tak, tak. Babes, it's lighthearted and all. Yeah, alam ko, gets ko yon. Pero, pag-usapan natin yon. Gusto ko lang mag-yap. Pag-usapan natin yun, what do you mean? Na parang, hindi tayo magka-level ng mga nagbibilang ng 1, 2, 3, 4, sana nagbo-boom, tak, bugu, boom, tak, tak, bass, snare, chiki-chi, Gets ba? First of all, magkaibang bagay yung dalawang yun. Hello. Tangent. Okay, tangent. Iba rin naman ang skill na I know, marami pa rin ako kilalang dancers. Like right now, nagtuturo in classes. Mga nakakasamahan ko, mga nagko-compete, can count. What do you mean you can count to 8? For like, itong bar ng music na to 8, like 8s. Hindi niya pa rin kaya mag-count. That's a different skill. Baby, ibang skill rin yun. So, wag mong aanuhin yun. And also, ibang skill rin naman yung magpapakita ka ng musicality, papakita mo yung tinatamaan mo, like demonstrating kung ano yung intention mo with the choreo you're teaching. You know, like do like a boom, and konting a pause. And then like a azigiza. You know, like a 4E and a, like a 6E and a 7 and a 8 down. Mga ganong eksanahan. Ibang skill rin naman yun. Yeah? And then, na-trigger lang, over naman sa trigger. Trigger is a strong word. Pero like, na-urge lang ako na anuhin to. Kasi nga, matagal ko na nga itong iniisip. TikTok dancers versus the real dancers. Ate, gusto ko lang i-give sa kanila. I just wanna give this to them kasi I know if like guided well at saka like talagang tinalunan nila yung pagkakataon at yung oportunidad at yung like talagang lumubog sila sa pagsasayaw nila. Lalabas sila sa TikTok, babes. Pero, nanggaling pa rin sila doon. TikTok pa rin yung naging hook nila. Yung nag-inganyo sa kanila. And, hindi ko ma-discount yun. Thank you, TikTok. Nang dahil sa'yo, someone with a face and the body that's doing like a medium shot, doing a quick one to a pas de bourrée, to a spin, you know, to a wow, you know, ay pumasok sa class. Ay nag-attend ng Basic Fem. Hindi mo pwede discount yun. Thank you for TikTok kasi now, nandito na siya sa open class. Doing like a quick open style. You know? Or, foundational. You know? People are doing Afro now and studying Afro now dahil sa TikTok. And that is me. Ako yun. That is me. People are out here doing Vogue Femme DCs. May iba pang usapan nito. I mean, like, gray area. May nuance, baby. May nuance sa usapan na to. Okay? Like doing Vogue Femme. Doing dramatics. Doing hand performance. Doing hands control. And now makikita mo sa jam. And now makikita mo, years from now, nagwo-walk sa ballroom. Nagwo-walk sa ballroom. Nagwo-walk sa runway. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you, Don. And yeah, kasi marami rin, I mean, medyo personal rin tong usapan na to sa akin or parang mayroon akong mga thoughts rin about sa usapan na to. Kasi, I know people na hindi na nila tinuloy to even though na sila ng TikTok ba or like any social media na sila ng isang sayaw, ng isang kultura, ng isang type ng sayaw. Mas maganda yung term na kultura. To explore. 'Di ba? Nakita nila sa YouTube. Nakita nila sa TikTok. Ako personally nakita ko si Batgirl Cassie on YouTube. Anyari sa akin, 5 years after we're doing Afrojam. At nanalo sa Afrojam. Except for Dance Blast. Period. Yeah. You know? So, hindi ko talaga siya dinidiscount. Alam mo yun? Kasi, ang TikTok nila ngayon, ay yung dub smash ko before. And kailangan nila magkaroon ng sistema ng bilog ng community para mailabas natin sila sa platform. Kasi pwedeng like mahuka lang eh. And then may reality rin naman doon na parang okay, you're doing this for the dance, for the shits and giggles, okay, for the quick 1-2 and for the likes and the views, okay, iba rin naman usapan yun. But like hindi ko pa rin siya i-discount kasi ito si TikTok or like whichever social media man ito ang nag-introduce sa mundo na ginagalawan ko right now. Na gusto kong, na binubuo ko rin, na nabubuo rin tayong bilog at malaking tool at malaki ang naging gampanin ni TikTok doon or whichever social media para makonect siya, maging connected kami. You know, whatever this is, whatever you are doing, like probably like sayaw na base sa kultura, may it be like ballroom or like afro or like funk style, stocking, popping, even crump, iba rin naman ang kultura nun. Yeah, yun na naging bridge. Thank you to that platform. Pero nuance, okay? For the people naman na siguro naririnig nyo to na parang ikaw, personally, nakikinig dito. You are the one who's doing the quick 1-2. You know, the quick 1-2, pas de bourrée, single, double on TikTok. Huwag ka matakot, I would say, kasi, medyo daunting rin naman, para medyo, medyo nakaka-pressure na parang, hello, what if mag-class ako? Yung unang what if pala na yun, I encourage you to do that. You're onto something. Yun yun. Yun yun. What if I-try ko kaya tong basic fem class na to? Yes. That is the thing. If you really, like, kung sobrang na-enjoy mo, like, look at yourself, Ren. Yeah? Tingnan mo rin si self, na parang, parang na-enjoy ko tong konting, get you on my face, and I know you like it, but, you know? Or konting, let me check my right quick, best like this, or like a, why don't you say so? No. Ate, what if I-take ko yung class na yon na parang sobrang viral, na parang sobrang pem-pem lang, like sobrang wow, sobrang sarap. Yes. Do that. Invite other friends. Have a good time. Act on it. Kasi like sobrang wow. And syempre, iba rin naman yung usapan na parang dance is live ka na kasi like, talagang gagawin mo yun, you know? Pero to the hobbyists, and, wow, this is a full circle moment. Wow, this is a full circle, like, topic right here. Kasi currently, ang classes ko is a nude floor. Shout out to my nude floor family, to my nude floor ates and kuyas, na I've been doing like, siguro like, 5 classes na the year. Ngayon, 2025 sa nude floor. Pero ngayon, recently lang ako nagbalik. I've been doing, last 2 Wednesdays, ay nagturo ako doon ng Afro beginners. And, I mean, iba pa rin namang, ang daming ibang usapan. Pero sa Afro beginners ba, is noon tako talaga ako magturo ng beginners kasi like, do I go foundational? Or do I go like, I give them a taste of what the thing is? Kasi I believe, as a teacher ba, naniniwala ako na your foundation is the music. Kung ano yung nagugustuhan mo naririnig, yun yung hook mo. Yun yung hook mo. Music should really be your foundation. You know? So, dun sa Afro beginners, noon, ino-overthink ko kung parang, do I do like foundation? Like, piano kasi yun yung inaaral ko. What if, ipatikim ko rin sa kanila yung amats ko, like, how I, sa Afro, you know? And it is music. So, ang tinuturo ko dun sa Afro beginners ko sa nude floor is basically, Afrofusion, technically, you can call it, pagdating sa pag technical yung lente natin, it is Afrofusion, yeah. Pero I choose, this is how it goes, okay? I choose like 4 vocabs or like 4 concepts or like 4 techniques or something like 4 things or like even less. And then focus on that, share it with them, and then create a short like choreo with them. Pero more on focus on the training and listening to different kinds of music talaga. Sorry, I give you like a ano tawag dito? Like a malewa. Give ko to sa inyo. Let's try this and variate it. And listen to different music and do this. You know? And tingnan natin kung ano pang mga klaseng tugtog ang pwedeng bagayan nito at sinasayawan nito. You know? Other than malewa is like dombolo, you know? So we listen to more francophone music, ganyan. Pero pwede rin siya pala sa Afrobeats. Pwede rin pala siya sa Rema. Pwede rin pala siya sa Wizkid. You know? Tapos, konting, last session, I did like a quick sangra. You know? So, we listen to a few Afro house music. You know? Afro house na medyo mabilis. Kasi ito talagang Afro house. And tangent rin pala. Mas nagkaroon lang ako ng gana at saka like ng guts. Like really to share like Afro beginners or like mag-teach ng Afro beginners ba? Kasi, meron na akong context. I think I have nag-focus ako on one style and nag-grasp ko siya. And still, marami pa rin akong kailangang aralin about this. This is amapiano, okay? Pero because I know this, you know, mas naka-apekto yung pagkakaalam ko dito, pagfa-focus ko dito, pagkakaroon ng principal style, you know? To how I approach other styles na gusto ko rin na-explore. So, meron na akong sensitivity to it, na parang, dapat hindi lang to bara-bara tinuturo, kung paano ko siya natutunan yung technique niya. For example, nung sa Malewa, Corey taught us, like, nag-start muna tayo sa legs, and then we do the shoulders, and we do, eto na siya, and eto na siya. Yeah, we variate it. Gawin natin sa right lang, gawin natin sa left lang, gawin natin rocking back and forth. Kaya to. So, yun lang yung tangent ko. Basically, it took me years para magkaroon ng guts and also to finally be honest with myself na, I think I can share a few vocabs and then listen to some music, you know, and ma-share ko sa mga taong ito kung paano ko siya nagustuhan, mainly because of the music. You know? So yun talaga yung goal of the lab, of my Lolo Labs sa Nude Floor and to other places pa. You know? Going back to the point about like being like TikTok dancers and stuff, you know. Kasi ilabas mo siya sa TikTok, these people are technically enthusiasts. Nakarinig lang ng konting Ira Star, ay nagustuhan yung song. Nagustuhan ng Afrobeats. Nakarinig lang ng konting Sishle, ay, mahilig na siya sa mapiano. I gets yun na. Okay, so out of like the TikTok like label, tanggalin mo yun. These people are enthusiasts. And what do you do with enthusiasts? You give them a space para mas ma-explore pa yun at mahanap nila yung sarili nila in that interest. You know? Give ko sila na baka ang hinahanap ko ay I really want like konting I want legs groove, I want combos sa paa, you know, or like I really want the bounce, gusto ko ng bounce, or I want my waist, you know, or I really just want like a diverse kind ng Afro music. So yun yung binibigay natin sa kanila. We give them the space, you know, to explore themselves. And alam ko naman na parang pumapasok ko dito na parang, alam mo yun, so, Afro ka na rin or something. Not to be like defensive or something, ganyan. Pero dahil, wow, nagugustuhan mo rin yung like gusto ko, so nagkaka-connect tayo doon. Give pa kita ng space to explore that at give ko pa sa'yo yung mga nag-hook nyo sa akin, mga nagpa-saya nun sa akin kung bakit ginagawa ko to. Is it the music? Is it the styles? Is it the history, the culture, you know? Is it the vibe? Is it the context? Is it the place? Ganon, give ko sa'yo. Guys, kailangan mo na music, listen to this. Gusto mo na vocabs, try mo tong groove na to or this concept or try natin tong mga ganyan. So, binibigyan natin sila ng more resources to ma-explore pa nila yun. Yeah? Ikaw ba, nung naging beginner ka ba nung nung dancer, real dancer ka na ba? So, how did you start? Reflect on that, diba? How did you start? Ako nag-start talaga ako like sa dub smash ba talaga? You know? So yeah. Sila sa TikTok. So what do we do? Gusto nila yung konting gani-ganito. Konting gani-ganito. Bigyan natin sila ng fem class. Mahilig ka sa Ariana Grande? Mahilig ka sa Tate McRae? Give natin to. Introduce natin sila sa basics classes. Introduce natin sila to let's give them yung resources na yun, the space, the music they can explore, artists they can explore and discover. Ang daming bagay, gibigyan natin sila resources and the space to explore that. At sana wag natin silang like saraduhan na gana parang, ay, TikTok dancer ka. Alam mo lang, ito lang alam mo. Ate, the jig. Tapos makikita mo sa kanila, ay, meron nga, may certain like, no, swag siya, no. Ay, ipasok mo yun sa Ira Kasim. Pasok kita sa do geometry. Lagot. Naku po. Melvin Mejos. Naku. How unstoppable you would be. Naku. So, you know, wag natin sana sila discount ba? Kasi, kung magre-reflect ka rin at tatanungin mo rin sarili mo, diyan ka rin nagsimula. Kasi alam ko kung saan ako nagsimula. Again, that's Dub Smash. And dahil malaki nga rin ang like kultura ng dance challenges sa TikTok ba, doon rin nahasa actually yung self ko. Tangent, yan na lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila. When people ask me about like, Kuya, saan ba ako magsa-start ng Afro? Saan ba ako magsa-start ng Afro? Consume a lot of content ng gusto mo. Consume a lot of Afro music, culture. Yun na yung pinakamalaking name niya talaga. Culture, basically. Music. Makinig ka sa mga artists. Follow your rabbit hole. Like go deep into that rabbit hole. Yung personal mong rabbit hole. Okay? kung mag-follow ko sa mga natitipuhan mo ng mga artist at kung sino pa mga ina-artist, mga fina-follow rin nila, sino mga kino-collab nila, sino mga kasama nilang sumayaw. You know? Go deep into it, you know? And okay rin lang naman, hindi mag-go deep into it. And that is fine as well. You know? Sasabi ko lang, yun yung gano'n natin eh. Buko ba yun? Ay, sorry. Yun yung gano'n natin eh. And look at us now. You know? So sana wag na natin sila saraduhan ng gano'n. Or para like place ourselves like right here. Kasi hindi na tayo TikTok dancers. Kasi nag-open class na ako sa, I don't know, Baus. You know? Kasi uma-attend na ako ng classes sa Groove Central. Yeah? Yeah. So yun lang ako. Yun lang ang thoughts ko about it. And then, speaking of nude floor, I just want to shout out the people. Also, yung mga tao na yun na tinuturuan ko dun sa like Afro beginners ba? These people are, yun yung nuance nun. Yun yung isa pang like side to it. Hindi naman lahat is dance is life eh. You know na parang pag nagtatry siya ng Afro, ganyan-ganyan, kailangan na kita i-train. Pagkagaling ipakita, ito, aralin mo to, ito. Some people just really wanna try things. And that is okay. Sobrang okay rin nun. And then if they're trying like the TikTok 1-2, you know, kung isara mo sila kagad, ay hindi, pang TikTok ka lang, dyan ka lang. Ay hindi, K-pop cover ka lang. Ayan pa, ate. A Can of Worms na nabuksan natin. K-pop cover. If that's what they do, go for it. Go for it. At magiging honest naman sila sa self nila niyan eh. In the future, when they say na, alam mo, parang I wanna try this class. Or parang itong si All Day Project ba yun? Ay, gusto ko yung parang swag effect ni Bailey Sok. Ay, papasok yan ng class. A-attend yan sa like, full out. One day, itatry niya yan. Like for real, itatry niya yan. Kasi, binigyan mo sila ng space ng ganun. Great people are ang tawag doon? Great people are a result of great encouragement. So sana mas maging encouraging tayo to people. Ewan ko kung tama yung kinote ko na quote na yan. I think it goes a different way. Pero parang yun yung thought. Anyway, I just wanna say, parang, wow, thank you rin sa Nude Floor Bala. Kung sobrang perfect lang nung bilog na yon. TikTok dancers to like my Afro beginners class to sa Nude Floor. Kasi I understand that some people here are not really about the life or like about the culture as me, and that is okay. Ang importante ay nasi-share ko at nabibigyan ko sila ng resources na alam ko kasi they took the first step. Sabi ko mag-sign up ako sa class ni Gab. Oh, you made it. Dog Show Divas, Baus Rufo, Makoy Dubs, you made it. Welcome to the class. And then, ayun na. Welcome. Ito na yung resources that you signed up for. And then it's okay kung next weekend, next class ulit, hindi ko na sila makita. It's okay. At least they tried it for themselves. And it's you. Ikaw pa rin naman talaga yan. You know? But again, there's nuance to it. Lalo na sa mga very protected na styles lang talaga and like cultures, you know? Hindi lang binabasta-basta rin. Okay, you can try it out. Pero like be respectful to the craft, to the culture. Alam niyo na yan. This is a different topic for another day. Pero, another thing, yeah, let's be more encouraging in these streets. Yeah. I mean, if you think about it, if I think about it, actually, yung dub smash ko is to dance. What? Ano daw? Yung dub smash ko before, yun yung umakit sa akin, mag-dance. Like, for reals. Like, for reals. Instagram, YouTube, yung like early social media, yun na naging sa akin. Pero, ang TikTok is what got me to Afro. And look at us now. Still a long way to go. Pero may nasimulan tayo. And sana ikaw rin. Ano daw? And sana use itong mga resources na to. And follow the trail lang talaga. As in, I encourage you to do that. Yeah. Congrats. Ba't ako nag-congrats? Wala na nasa isip ko. Yeah, this is already 30 minutes. Boom. Thank you, maraming salamat sa pakikisama sa akin dito. I hope hindi kasi ngirinig yung electric fan kasi last time, yung mga dati ko palang videos, I like rinig yung electric fan. So, pinwesto ko siya banda doon. Sana hindi pa rinig. Pero I don't care. Nakikinig ka naman sa akin, so. Ang sama ko naman doon. Anyway, thank you so much. And I love you. Yeah. Maglalaban ako. Bye-bye.